here this software is help for the sharing, right. So, what the statement is, companies can be held liable for inducing copyright infringement. And Grokster, obviously what happened, the decision was again against Grokster, and what was the statement used, we hold that the one who distributes a device with the object of promoting its use to infringe copyright as shown by a clear expression or other affirmative steps taken to foster infringement is liable for the resulting acts of an infringement by a third parties. So, that was the statement which is used while giving the decision on this particular case. Case was decided in favor of MGM. Obviously, it was a big fight, like lower courts are in favor of Grokster, considering the Sony case, which is very strong